So today I got this apparently variable charger or power supply, whichever you want to call it. And this power supply goes from 3 volts to 12 volts. And it claims 1.2 amps. I don't know if you guys can see it there. It claims 1.2 amps. It's a fairly generic power supply. I mean, it does, here it's an LED. I'll show it in a minute. This is a LED, so when you plug it in, this thing turns on. We're going to be using our trusty old USB detector here to detect if we'll see if the rated current is actually true. And also there's nothing much, there's no brand name on this guy. And also we're gonna open this guy up, and in the couple of next videos I'm gonna be opening a lot of chargers just to see how they work. And also I'll be testing this DC load that I made in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, you can just check it out. I'll link it down below. So I'm just gonna bring my other accessories so that we can connect to this guy. So I'll be using this. So the cable that I'm holding is gonna help us when we plug it in. We can actually like connect these two together in order for us to measure the voltage and the current. So yeah, I think let's get on with it. I'm just gonna connect these two and I'll be right back with you guys. So I managed to connect these two cables together so we can actually measure the voltages from this guy and also test it out using our proprietary DC load right here. So I'm just gonna get our Doji extension cord and plug this guy in and see how much we're drawing. So, and also since it's variable, they said 1.2 amps max. So I don't know if it's 1.2 at 3 volts, and you also get 1.2 max amps at 12 volts. So we're just gonna find out shortly. So we got our Doji extension cord here, and I'm just gonna plug this guy in. So before I connect it, I'm just gonna switch. So there's this switch underneath here. I'm just gonna put it at 3 volts. So hopefully this detector for us is gonna pick it up. So here we go. So you see we have a nice green LED right there. We're just gonna see. So this is the voltage we're getting, guys. Looks like we're getting 3.3 volts, not necessarily 3 volts, which those guys promised, but yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to load this thing up with our makeshift DC load. All right, I'm just gonna increase the current. So since we're dealing with 3 volt 3 right here, so we are expecting to get 0.3 amps, 300 milliamps every time we turn on our DC load, all of our 4 switches. If I turn on the first switch, we get 0.3, which is correct. So the next switch I'm expecting to get 0.6. Then the next switch I'm expecting to get 0.9, which is, yeah, it's holding up. I mean, it's holding up decent, which is good. Then the last switch, 1.12, which is still good, which is very good. Yeah, looks like it paused. It paused for 3 volts. So I'm just gonna switch it up to the next voltage and see, which is 5 volt. So I skipped 4.5 because 4.5 is much closer to 5. So I'm just gonna test 5. Then if 5 passes, well, I'm gonna move to 9, then hopefully 12. So here we go. This is 5. The voltage is a bit high there, so I don't know what that's all about. If I turn on the first switch, I'm expecting to go 0.5 amp up. You see, that's 0.5. Then the next switch, we need to go in amp. So which it's holding up. It's holding up nicely. That is good. That is good. Now this is 1.5. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's doing all right. It's actually doing exceptionally good, better than what it was rated. So it can handle, although the voltage is fluctuating a bit, but it does handle those currents. Then let me see if we can handle 2 before shutting it down. Yeah, then the voltage goes really bad. Now it's at 9 volts. I don't know if you guys can see, this is 9 volts. Just want to plug it in and see. Good. Let's see. So I believe this is gonna be 0.9. So this is gonna be a bit fast. So we should see 0.9. I mean, that looks all right. That looks good. That looks good. For this cheap charger, yeah, it actually looks, it's delivering, it's over. So this should be 1.8. Let's see if we can get there. I mean, we can't get there, and I can't go in between because I only have like 10 ohms resistor. This is 12 volts. Oh, I just realized when you put it at 12 volts and you try to plug it in, my USB detector can't detect anything above 9 volts. So, which is a shame actually, but you know, it is what it is. Let me see. And also, I'm interested, this LED takes long. I mean, it's not plugged in and it takes a while, so I'm sure there's like some big capacitors here. But yeah, now the interesting part, opening up this guy. Let me just zoom out real quick. So opening up this guy. So we can see there's like 2 visible screws here. So oh, interesting. Just gonna zoom in real quick. So you guys can see, I'm also analyzing it the same way as you guys are seeing it. Let's decipher what they're looking at here. So the voltage comes in from these two, the live and the neutral. Then this looks like a proper fuse. Don't know if you guys can see it, but that looks like a proper fuse. So it is fused, so which is nice. Let me take a closer look at this. So it's a shame it's actually soldered on there, so I can't remove it. But this looks solid. No, I'm actually impressed. This looks solid. I mean, the distance between the primary and the secondary, I mean, it is good. Where it's shorter, I mean, it's open. It's a bit open here, but this gap looks alright. Looks good. And this is like the input cap. This is a massive, it's a big boy. 22 micro, 400 volts. And there's another capacitor C5 right there. This is a safety, the blue capacitor, safety capacitor. Is it CY1 class Y1 capacitor? And it actually has, I don't know if you guys can see it, some writing on there. So it is genuine stuff. I'm actually impressed right now. I'm actually impressed. Big diode right here. Output capacitors. This is why that light kept on shining for a very long time. These big caps and the LED, then you see potentiometer. It says switch 1 there, but looks like it's a potentiometer, because from underneath this is where you put your screwdriver to turn it on. So this is where your bridge rectifier, which is down here. So I believe it goes after the fuse, it goes to your bridge rectifier. So this is like the switching IC, which is good, which is nice. I respect it. I mean, it does have some genuine stuff on the soldering is good. Maybe that won't be the best soldering I've ever seen, but the other stuff looks good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked it. Next week I'll be opening, I don't know, I'm really tempted to open this guy up. This guy, we tested it last video, so I'll be tempted. If it's not this, I'm just gonna open a genuine power supply, like a genuine, true genuine. This looks good, but maybe a Samsung power supply or a USB charger, whichever you wanna call it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.